Hey guys, it's Nick Reels here. Just got the mystery tackle box in the mail today. Let's see what's inside. Okay, got some goodies. First off, it comes with it's got a little instruction manual thing to look at that later. More pieces of paper that no one cares about. Catchco sticker. I'm gonna put this on my car. Alrighty, so what do we got here? Casatonic soft baits. Here it looks like some kind of minnow shad form. If it looks like a fish and swims like a fish, it's gotta be castic. Cool. I guess I can put this on a kind of offset swim bait hook. Looks good. Take a look at this one. Vicious Fishing Lures Ultimate Worm and Green Pumpkin 8-inch 5-pack. Show you from the back right there. There we go. Ooh, got a Lucky Craft. Lucky Craft. This is Japanese brand. It's supposed to be really good. I've never used one, so I'm gonna have to use this. Pearl Threadfin Shad. Pearl Threadfin Shad. Looks about a 3-incher. Pretty good. It's got a rattle inside. Rattle trap. That's cool. Alright. And oh, Buddha bait. Insane swim jig. About a, it's like a sunfish color. Little eye. Could put a craw trailer hook on that. It would work really good. And let's see, what's the last one? Oh, Venom Lures Death Grip Hooks. Looks like I can use this. Set me up right here. Put them together. Looks like we got ourselves a fish. And last but not least, what's inside? Oh, it tells you everything and the equivalent price. So we got the Lucky Craft LV 300, which was this one. Apparently it's $15.99. I would never buy that in stores, but if it came in the box, I'm happy because I mean that's how much the box costs. Only actually $4.99 because I got the special deal price on it. And then we got the Insane Swim Jig from Buddha Baits. This is a $5 value. Jerky J Kicker Castics. That was this one right here. Where does it say Jerky K Kicker? Oh yeah, there it is right on the back. Jerky K Kicker, 4.25-inch promo bluegill 4-pack. The Ultimate Worm. It only retails at $3.49 for a 15-pack and $1.16 for a 5-pack. So this is the $1.16. So we'll see how these work. I've got a million of them that look just like this. And then the Sickle Hook from Venom Lures, which is the one we were just showing you right here. They retail at 94 cents. So, not bad. So, I guess that's all that comes in the box. Let's go catch some fish.